Hello and welcome to our webinar about our product HealAdvisor Search. My name is Frank Deile. I'm the head of sales in Europe, and I have the pleasure to introduce you today to our HealAdvisor Search. Well, the HealAdvisor Search or the HealAdvisor app in general will be kind of an umbrella over all our products in the future. So we have three pillars because we believe it's not only frequencies for life, but also as well nutrition for life and motion for life. So under the umbrella of the HealAdvisor, we will have in the future not only the Healy, our Healy Watch, but also our digital nutrition app called DNA, and of course our HealAdvisor Search. So when we look at the Healy world in general, above all our products, we have our HealAdvisor Cloud, which contains our database, our expert database, and our artificial intelligence, and also as well the personalized frequency programs. So under our HealAdvisor Cloud, we have all our Healy products, from the therapist search on one side all the way to the Healy Watch on the other side. So everything will be under the HealAdvisor Cloud and the HealAdvisor as a topic. So this is the Healy world, how it looks today. So we have not only a therapist search, but also the HealAdvisor Analyze app, which was former our resonance application with the resonance analysis and the aura analysis. Then we have our new HealAdvisor app, which contains the digital nutrition and the HealAdvisor Search, of course our Healy, and also new our Healy Watch app and the Healy Watch. And in the Healy Watch app, we also have the Watch Connector module, which connects the Healy Watch with the Healy itself. But this is the topic of another webinar. Today, we want to look at the HealAdvisor Search. So the HealAdvisor in general is your personal health connection, because it's the umbrella over all of our products. So it's a unique and modular system for your health, fitness, and vitality. It's a comprehensive idea integrated on several levels. You have to understand the HealAdvisor as a combination of people, equipment, swarm intelligence, ideas, services, software. So it's really an ecosystem, if you want. So it's the best of everything modern technology and research have to offer today. So when we look at the HealAdvisor app, please understand the HealAdvisor app as a master controller, as a master control center, coordinating all three pillars of your health. As we said, it's not only for health, but also for fitness and vitality. So this is your master control center, which in the future will more and more and more control all our Healy products. But as we said, we want to look today at our HealAdvisor app, which contains the HealAdvisor Search. The HealAdvisor app with the HealAdvisor Search, today when you think about what problem our member has, is mainly that all of our members, or most of our members, are not experts. Most of our members are not therapists, are not doctors, but at the end of the day, the members you sign up come to you as their sponsor asking for advice. I have this and this problem, I have this and this illness, which program do you recommend, what can I do? So until today, you were in a situation where you had to answer those questions, and in a lot of cases you couldn't because, as I said, you're not a therapist or a doctor. So from this day on, with the HealAdvisor Search, this problem is easily transferred to the app, because all these problems can be solved through the app in the future. So the only thing, if somebody comes up to you as a member saying, I need this and this and this advice, you can refer him to the HealAdvisor Search. So this is our disclaimer for the HealAdvisor Search, or for the HealAdvisor app in general. And I would like to read it to you. The content displayed by the HealAdvisor app does not constitute medical diagnosis and is meant as recommendations only. The medical diagnosis and the treatment is the sole responsibility of medical professionals. The displayed Healy programs, substances, and foods are only recommendations that depend on the user input. In the case of food intolerances, allergies, incompatibilities, or diseases, the recommendations of the HealAdvisor app must always be evaluated by a physician. But let's look at the HealAdvisor search. The HealAdvisor search is a modular system which has different modules. So it's a personal guide to your fitness, well-being, and health. The HealAdvisor search contains expert databases, which through the database select your Healy frequency programs quickly and easily. So you can type in, find a diagnosis, and find recommendations for programs. The HealAdvisor Cloud is a constant supply of new frequency programs for your life goals, health, and well-being. And through an AI, artificial intelligence module, this database will be constantly being expanded with the knowledge about the effect of frequencies. So really, whatever you type in, the database is growing. So the HealAdvisor Expert Database, what does it do? If we look at the problems somebody can have, it's not only at one side that you have a diagnosis or an indication. It can be combinations or relationships to many, many other things. So if you think about poor health, it's related to food, to organs, to certain markers, meridians, substances, chakras, emotions. It is a variety of things coming into place here. And this database can make this complex relationship between those points. So through intelligently networked, really artificial intelligence, this database learns by every input a member around the world puts in this database. The database is expanding by itself very quickly. So right now we have around about 600 diagnoses and indications already in the database. And by every search a member does where there is no entry being found, the database learns by this. So it will expand very quickly through our artificial intelligence module. So let's say you enter a diagnose, for example, and by entering this diagnose, it looks in a database, it finds a diagnose, and then it gives you suitable Healy programs or other helpful information for almost every search in this query. Now, as I said, it's a self-learning algorithm process query and data into an optimal search result. So really, it is amazing because this database learns and learns and learns by every entry a member around the world enters. So the search is an intelligent analysis. So here on the screen, you can see how the screen looks like. So you can either look directly for a Healy program. You can search for a Healy program group, but you can also search for a disease, let's say asthma or headache or whatever it is, or for a symptom. So if you cannot find a program that is relevant for your concern, you can also, through the app, reach out to our team of experts. As I said, we have around about 600 illnesses and symptoms and already registered in the database. And as it learns every day, this will expand very fast. So in this picture, unfortunately, this is still in German, but I will tell you what it says. It says on the top, My Programs. And this is the reliable recommendation the search will give you. So if you enter a diagnose, for example, it will give you programs you should use. For example, here on the top, Energy, a program from the Gold Cycle Group. Then the second one is DNB2, riboflavin, a program from the Digital Nutrition Group. EB Sadness, a program from the emotional balance group, or Psyche, a program from the Psyche group. So these are actually recommendations you can put in the app in your favorites under my programs, and then you can also actually run them directly from the search. So let's say you put in a diagnose and the query does not find an entry. So this is the second thing the HealAdvisor search does. It sends an individual request to experts from within the app. So once you don't find an entry, you can actually, the entry goes directly to our medical experts. And first, you will receive an answer from our medical support. And second, the medical support will enter this query and this information which are given to the member into the database. So for the next time somebody searches this, the app will actually tell you the result without contacting the medical support first. Next function in the HealAdvisor search is the Find Your Therapist search. So probably it happened to a lot of people, a lot of our members already, that somebody came up to you and said, well, you know, I have a very severe disease. Can you recommend me a time with a therapist? So this covers this area. It's a Find Your Therapist search is a platform for alternative and complementary medicine. So you can add or actually enter in the app here an indication, a therapy, or directly the name of a therapist, if you know, or you can search also through the city or postal code. So by this, the app gives you the contact details of a therapist, and the person who is entering this can actually directly contact the therapist. And then from there on, the negotiation between the member and the therapist go on a private level. You can negotiate with the therapist how much consultation is, how much it would be to write you an own program for your special indication or problem. And this therapist can then send this specialized, personalized program onto your Heal directly. So here we are not really giving a medical advice, but we give an alternative and or the complementary information to a doctor to find a therapist for you if you have a more severe problem. Here is the prices, an overview of our prices. If you look in the red frame, our HealAdvisor search is a monthly subscription. The monthly subscription net price will be 29 euro. In other countries where we don't have euro, it will be the alternative in your country currency. Prices will be available for all these new products in the back office. So the monthly subscription is 29 euro plus the local VAT of the respective country. So as this is also monthly subscription, you get a point value of 20 PV, which counts to your personal PV if this is the subscription that you do for yourself. So as I said, all these prices are still plus VAT in the respective country. Now we also have a bundle price. We have a bundle, which is our DNSC bundle, which includes our HealAdvisor and the HealAdvisor Digital Nutrition, HealAdvisor Search, and the HealAdvisor Connector. So it's an all-round bundle. The price until end of 2019 is 450 euro for 3 months, and this will give you a point value of 350 PV. So this is the only bundle where the HealAdvisor Search will be included. But as I said, for 29 euro and 20 points, you can also do a single subscription for the HealAdvisor Search. So this was the short first webinar about our HealAdvisor Search. I hope you enjoy our new product and it makes your life a little bit easier every day. So I hope we will hear you and see you in all of our next webinars or roadshows around the world. Have a nice day and all the best to you.